Synthetix network is a low-position cryptographic money presently evaluated at $2.58 that has a place with a class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $295,833,727. Throughout recent years, digital forms of money, including Synthetix network, laid out major areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world, and are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex. Synthetix token has been looking underneath the downtrend line for the beyond 6 days. The SNX token cost is glimpsing inside the past negative light regarding the week-after-week cost outline. The SNX token having a place with a Bitcoin pair is exchanging at 0.00008767 Satishus, up a little more than 3.2%. The Synthetix token is glimpsing inside the slipping trendline for throughout recent days, as well as bulls have been shielding the altcoin cost over the indispensable round degree of $2.0. Beneath this level, bulls could turn into the observer of bloodbath. The value activity of Synthetix token is showing a slipping triangle design on the 4-hour scale. In any case, it seems as though the bulls might break this negative band before the week's over. Notwithstanding the new bullish obstruction from a falling pattern line, SNX financial backers can see a drawback force close the $3.3 to $3.7 region, green box, where purchasers held a significant support region prior to breaking out. Regardless of the intraday move, the altcoin is exchanging at the $2.6 mark at the hour of compassing, with its market cap rising 4.6% to $302 million, according to 24-hour information from CMC. Moreover, the SNX token having a place with a Bitcoin pair is exchanging at 0.00008767 Satishus, which is up somewhat more than 3.2%. Alongside the downtrend energy, exchanging volume has been likewise diminishing for the beyond a few days. Likewise, the previous evening dealers saw a 16.6% drop in volume. The everyday cost chart is appearing beneath key EMAs including 20, 50, 100 and 200. Subsequently, the 20 EMA could influence the recuperation of the SNX token. The everyday RSI is showing sideways development simply over the oversold region, as the ADX pointer is showing no exchanging region with presence at the 20 imprint. Our cost expectation calculation is planned so that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to give our supporters the most reliable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently evaluate the condition of their portfolio and conclude whether it should be reconfigured. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which is vital for the right assessment of both current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its present and future course. Beneath you will find key extracts of this authentic information with the goal that you also could have a comprehension of where the Synthetix network market is going. What makes Synthetix unique? Synthetix is a decentralized trade DEX and a stage for manufactured resources. The convention is planned such that opens clients to the basic resources by means of synths without holding the fundamental resource. The stage permits clients to independently exchange and trade. It additionally disposes of the requirement for outsider facilitators. SNX tokens are utilized as guarantee for the manufactured resources that are printed. This implies that at whatever point synths are given, SNX tokens are secured in a savvy contract. Since end-off, the convention has progressed to the optimistic Ethereum mainnet to assist with diminishing the gas expenses on the organization and lower profit inactivity. What number of Synthetix SNX coins are there in circulation? The most extreme stock of SNX is 212,424,133 coins, of which 114,841,533 SNX is available for use as of February 2021. At the seed round and token deal stages, Synthetix sold in excess of 60 million tokens and had the option to raise $30 million. Of the absolute 100 million coins gave during the ICO, 20% was dispensed to the group and councils, 3% to bounties and showcasing impetuses, 5% to organization motivations, and 12% to the establishment. On May 23, SNX was esteemed at $2.74 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Recall that digital currencies are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 5.57%. A week prior, on May 17, Synthetix network was exchanged at $2.71 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its current position. On April 24, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged SNX at $5.83, the cost level that is at the distance of 55.85% from where it at present stands. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Synthetix network market was enlisted at $93,085,517. Yesterday, on May 23, SNX had an exchanging volume of $50,336,002. A week prior, on May 17, the normal day-to-day exchanging volume on that market added up to $70,094,835. Inside a slipping triangle design, Synthetix financial backers will keep on seeing disadvantage energy. Be that as it may, the bulls have a decent shot at moving the altcoin cost over this negative zone. Support level $2.3 and $2.0. Obstruction level 3.5 and $8.0. What is Synthetix, SNX? Synthetix is a decentralized money DeFi convention that gives on-fast and openness to a wide assortment of crypto and non-crypto resources. The convention depends on the Ethereum (ETH) blockchain and offers clients admittance to exceptionally fluid manufactured resources, synths. Synths track and give returns on the basic resource without expecting one to hold the resource straightforwardly. The stage means to widen the cryptographic money space by presenting non-blockchain resources, giving admittance to a more hardy monetary market. Who are the founders of Synthetix? The organization was sent off in September 2017 by Kane Warwick under the name Have. About a year after the fact, the organization rebranded to Synthetix. Kane Warwick is the pioneer behind Synthetix and a non-leader chief at the Blueshift retail organization. Preceding establishing Synthetix, Warwick has dealt with a few other digital money projects. He likewise established Pouncer, a live closeout site elite to Australia. Peter McKean, the Task CEO, has north of 20 years of involvement with programming improvement. He recently filled in as a software engineer at ICL Fujitsu. Jordan Mumtazi, the coup of Synthetix, is a business specialist, market expert and deals pioneer with quite a long while of involvement with blockchain, cryptographic money, computerized installments and internet business frameworks. Justin J. Moses, the CTO, was the previous overseer of designing at MongoDB representative practice, head of designing at Lab 49. He additionally helped to establish Pouncer. The cost of SNX and the readings of CVIX are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts. Market capitalization is another significant metric that assists brokers with deciding the fame of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities. It's likewise used to evaluate the offer that Synthetix network holds inside the whole digital money market. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization is somewhat straightforward. The flowing stockpile of the money being referred to is duplicated by its ongoing cost. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of SNX remains at $295,833,727, enough to name it the 94th biggest coin on the cryptographic money market. On May 23, the market capitalization of Synthetix network remained at $314,462,864. A week prior,